Hi everyone, today we'll solve this error. Scaffold.of code with a context that does not contain a scaffold. For that, first copy the code from the raise button to close bracket of the raise button. Ctrl C and delete. Now give the other name of the raise button. I give the name R button. Put the round bracket and give the comma. Now create the button outside. Type STL and press the enter. Give the class name R button. Remove the container text and paste the code here. Give the semicolon here. Now run the project. Now you can see the results. Now I show my application. Now I click on the raise button, play your book. You can see the result. Snake bar is showing perfectly. Please subscribe to my channel and share with your friends.